Welcome to our January product updates video. Today we're going to be taking a look at our newest additions to Eventeny, including our new hardware request flow, invoice deadlines, the ability to message team members, custom tip amounts on gratuity, and dynamic date-based pricing. Let's jump in the platform so I can show you what's new. Annual subscribers can now rent hardware for events directly on the platform. Simply navigate to the hardware rental page in the event dashboard to get started. Renting hardware, such as iPads and hotspots, can make everything from payment processing to check-ins much easier, all while reducing line times up to 90%. Sending out invoices to your vendors? Now you can add deadlines to your invoices right within the platform, so you can set it and forget it. Reminders will also be automatically sent, so you don't have to worry about tracking down late payments. Now you can message your team members directly from within the platform. No more needing to jump between apps for communication. Your attendees now have the option to leave a custom tip amount for gratuity, in addition to the standard 10, 15, and 20% gratuity options. Simply toggle on custom gratuity in your product settings. Managing your recurring events just got a lot easier with dynamic date-based pricing for artists, vendor, and exhibitor applications. With this update, you can now customize price by date, maximizing your event revenue. This is perfect for events like farmers markets, where seasonality plays a factor in pricing. That's going to do it for this month's updates. Let us know on our socials at Eventeny Team on Instagram or at Eventeny on LinkedIn what you think of our latest feature drop. Your feedback continues to help us grow and improve our platform. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you next month.